Hello, in this video I want to show you how to unpack RAR and zip files using app called RAR on your OPPO A94 5G. So in order to do this, first you will need to get this app, and we've shown you how to do that in our other video. Now let's navigate to the folder where we have our archives, and for me it's gonna be the DCIM, screenshots, and here's the pictures.rar. Now if we want to unpack it, we'll need to press on it, and if it's encrypted by any password, you'll need to give it right now. Now let's select each file that we want to unpack, or if you want to unpack everything instantly, simply press on this arrow pointing up. Here you'll be able to click on a browse and pick destination where the files will be unpacked, and why I want them in the movies. Click OK to save that. Here you'll be able to also change a few settings about how this file will be extracted. You can change it to ask before overwrite, overwrite files without prompt, or skip all existing files. You can enable it to keep broken files, do not extract paths, or display extracted files. After everything is set, click OK, and our files will be unpacked. Now we can go to the movies folder, and here they are. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.